Today we are going to see how we can find out the length of arc or an arc sector you can call of from a formula if radius or diameter is given to us and if an angle is given to us. Okay. So now yes, I have written the formula here. Formula used is alpha times 2 pi r, which is this formula for circumference of a circle, divided by 360. Now here if radius is given to you, you will use 2 pi r. If diameter is given to you, you will use a pi d over 360. Okay. Now in exercise 1J of this first chapter, you have question 1 wherein radius is given and angle is given. So directly you substitute and you can find the arc length. Okay. I would like here to explain the second and the third question, which are given in a problem form. I just laid out the second question for you. It says a clock is circular in shape with a diameter 25 centimeter. Find the length of the arc between the markings 12 and 5, rounded to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Now a clock given to me, diameter given to me 25, but alpha, which is to be given in the angle which is to be given is not given to me. Okay. Instead, they tell me, they give me the information that the time should be from 12 to 5. So if I see this clock, it is 12, from 12 to 5 is this particular portion marked in red. So it is 5 parts out of the whole 12 parts. Okay. So instead of angle, if my angle is not given here, I can take it as a 5 over 12 times my formula, circumference formula. So 5 circumference is pi d, that is a 25 pi, and 5 over 12 times the circumference gives me the arc length. So here I have substituted, and when you put this in your GDC, you get the answer 32.7 centimeter. Okay. And the next third sum says it talks about a giant wheel which has a diameter of 120 meters and the speed is given. It rotates at a speed of 26 centimeter per second. Question A is find the length that a passenger capsule would travel if the wheel makes a rotation of 200. So alpha given to me 200 here, diameter given to me 120. What is it? 120 meters. Okay, 120 meters. Sorry. Therefore, length will be the circumference, that is 120 pi, times alpha, that is 200 over 360. When you put this in your GTC, you get the answer 209 meters. Okay. The second part says find the time in minutes that it would take for a passenger capsule to make a rotation of 200 degrees. So now here I will use the formula for speed. Speed is distance over time. Time is to be found out, so I take it here. So time will be distance over the speed. Now speed given to me 26 centimeter per second. Okay. Now since I have the distance in meter, I convert this into meter per second. So I will get it as a 0.26 in meters. Okay. So this is 209 divided by 0.26, which gives me 805 seconds. Now 805 seconds, the question is give the time in minutes. So 805, I convert it into minutes, gives me a 13.4 minutes. And the third question asked is find the time to the nearest whole minute that it would take for a passenger capsule to make a full revolution. So I have found out for 200 degrees, 200 angle of 200, it takes a 13.4 minute. I need to find out for the full revolution, which is a 360. So for 360, it will take how much time? So 360 times 13.4 divided by a 200 gives me 24 minutes. Okay. So this is the way we use this formula to find the arc length or